Please, I beg you, if you do any cheap work to save money, before you leave the place that you did your work, please check all the work if you understand it. Cheap is cheap, all right? And unprofessional mechanics, there are very much is all over the place. Can someone tell me what's wrong with this here? This car came with a noise in the front. Okay, and as you can see on the other side, you see the caliper, it's rubbing against the rim, and you could see the mark right here. You see the mark? So this wheel is spinning and it's eating the rim as it spins. And as same thing here, as you can see, if you could notice what's wrong here. I'll tell you what's wrong here. When you do a job in the street, or you hire somebody who doesn't know what he's doing, you can see the brake pads, they're supposed to sit on the top of the caliper here. Has to be flushed in all the way. Same thing on the bottom. Look at the distance here. Okay. So the problem is this brusher spring here installed inside. This piece here is supposed to be on the outside, supposed to sit here. Same thing at the bottom. This is supposed to sit on the side, on the outside, on the inside, I'm sorry, where the caliper bracket is. They had the brusher away from the brake pads or brake rotors, so you could see this spring here pushing the caliper outward toward the body of the car, toward the wheel. So the whole caliper here is supposed to go at least one, I would say, ½ inch or 1 inch inside, away from the rim. So as you can see, the rim here, all the marks inside right here, also was touching here too. This is really makes me upset. To save 40 bucks or 50 bucks, give somebody your car to deal with it like this. This is not a joke, this is a brake, this is your life in it. Okay, so you can see how bad this installation is. I have no idea. I'm really tired of looking at this. And now customer come here and say, oh, there's noise in my brakes. Okay, look how far the brake caliper from the bracket. This is supposed to go at least ½ inch inside. Okay, I probably have to change this whole spring here, all this brusher plate that keeps the caliper close to the caliper bracket. But they did the other way around. So this is pushing it very much against or toward the wheel while it's spinning. That's a problem. Okay, thank you for watching.